Hold up.
Yo, what's up everyone? It's Ibsen's 10. I hope you're having a good day, because before we get into this video, I'm gonna need you to like, subscribe and share if you enjoyed this video. We've been working, we're slowly recovering from that injury, so my progression with football, I'm gonna be posting that from next week, hopefully, inshallah. This is my squad right now, guys. Decent, right? We still have Rodrigo and the Bergwijn, that hasn't changed. We still have Ake and Ziyech. And yeah, those are the players that have literally stayed. Thiago's new, Allen, so cold. He's the best. Get him. And 4-star skill moves, and he's a wall. Ake is also sick. Davinson Sanchez, amazing. We packed Alisson, guys. Hey, Ibrahim, run the clip. I was about to do a pack opening without you guys. What am I doing? We got Alisson. Let's see how much man goes for. Oh my days. Man said 90 rated. Is he good? Because last FIFA he wasn't good. Oh my days. 80k. Luckily I got for my rewards I got tradable rewards. I'm coming. Last pack. YouTube. Netherlands, centre mid, Liverpool. Oh, Wijnaldum. $70k. Oh my days! I've made so much money. We sold Wijnaldum. Wijnaldum isn't really good, but Alisson, amazing. We packed Alisson, as you can see, first owner. But we bought Robertson, we bought Semedo, yeah. And this is the bench. Rodriguez, baller. 53 pace, but he's actually sick. If you guys want to see me play Foot Champs, just put in the comments, you know. And then I know that you guys would like to see some FIFA content. And plus, I don't want to waste my time on Foot Champs if you guys don't really want to play, because FIFA's always been a mess. Like, Foot Champs literally hurts my brain. Like, we have rewards to open. So I got what we got. I think we got rank 2. So 45,000 coins, tradable packs or untradable packs. Which one should I pick, guys? Let's go tradable packs. Hopefully we can get something good. Obviously the main players, Messi. What a card he has, by the way. Amazing card. Bruno Fernandes, would love to get him also. And yeah, that's it really. How you guys been though? Like, just put down in the comments how you guys have been. Like, are you enjoying the content? What else would you like me to do in the future? But this is the first pack. I don't know if I got to walk out or the... Oh shit, that's not a good start. Chris Smalling, Maldini, others would say. Is setting the tone of the pack opening? Is it just gonna be a shambles today? Please give me something good. Is this a walkout? Ooh. Spanish, centre mid, Valencia, team of the week. Oh, why didn't you just give me Messi or something? It's a team of the week though. Let's see what he goes for. Kepa, Del Valle, 15k. This is the last pack. Let's do a walkout of the players pack. Give me Messi, give me Messi, give me Messi, give me Messi.
Why the team of the week so bad?